Electrical metallic tubing, or EMT, and non-metallic boxes can be used with aluminum non-ferrous pipe, provided the proper precautions are taken. Isolation of the pipe from the conduit is crucial. Use non-conductive materials, such as rubber gaskets or plastic bushings, to isolate the aluminum pipe from the EMT or box. Ground the pipe by connecting the aluminum pipe to the grounding system using an insulated grounding conductor. This will prevent electrical current from flowing through the pipe. Use approved fittings that are specifically designed for use with aluminum pipe and EMT or non-metallic boxes. Examples include listed aluminum conduit hubs. These hubs provide a secure connection between aluminum pipe and EMT or non-metallic boxes, and non-conductive bushings. These bushings prevent electrical contact between the conduit and the aluminum pipe. There are alternative methods as well. If possible, transition from aluminum pipe to galvanized steel pipe in areas where EMT and non-metallic boxes will be used. Fiberglass conduit is a non-conductive material that can be used instead of EMT and is less susceptible to electromagnetic interference, or EMI. Some manufacturers offer specialized systems designed for installing electrical wiring in areas with non-ferrous metal piping. These systems typically use non-conductive fittings and materials. Recommended box types include polycarbonate junction boxes. These boxes are made of a non-conductive plastic material and are resistant to EMI, and polyvinyl chloride, or PVC, junction boxes. PVC boxes are also non-conductive and are widely available. Fiberglass junction boxes provide excellent EMI protection and are suitable for use in areas with high levels of electromagnetic interference. Reputable brands that provide components that are suitable for these types of installations include Legrand, Hubble, Thomas & Betts, Panduit, and Arlington Industries.